Hello students, welcome to Nija Education. Today we will continue our second lesson addition of 4th standard. If you haven't seen the first video, then I will recommend you to watch it first and come back here later. So before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. In today's video, we are going to talk about word problem on real life situation, estimating the sum and forming word problems. So let's start. Dear students, our first topic is word problem on real life situation. In real life, we use lot of maths. हम रियल लाइफ में बहुत मैथ्स यूज करते हैं. हम जब भी खरीदी करते हैं, whenever we do shopping, we do banking. In various ways, we use maths in our life. So let's take an example for it. Okay students, so our first lesson is a library has 23,458 books in English and 4,25,300 books in other languages. How many books does the library have? हमें यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल में कहा गया है कि लाइब्रेरी में 23,458 बुक्स इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में है और 4,25,300 बुक्स अदर लैंग्वेजेस में है. सो टोटल लाइब्रेरी में कितनी बुक्स है? नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, डू यू नो व्हाट डज लाइब्रेरी मीन? लाइब्रेरी का मतलब जानते हो? लाइब्रेरी मीन्स अ रूम और अ बिल्डिंग कंटेनिंग बुक्स on various topics where people go for reading. So let's focus on some again. So हमें यहाँ पे सबसे पहले find out करना है what we have to find out. Okay? सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि हमें find out क्या करना है. यहाँ पे हमें दिया गया है कि इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में इतनी बुक्स है, अदर लैंग्वेज में इतनी बुक्स है. तो our question is how many books does the library have? लाइब्रेरी के पास कितनी बुक्स है? So what will we do? We will write information first. English books. How many English books are there? 23,458. And other languages books. Other languages की कितनी बुक्स है? 4,25,300. 4,25,300. Now to find out total books, what will we do? We will do addition. Okay, total books find out करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? हम addition करेंगे. So let's do addition. So 8 plus 0, 8. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 5, 8. And 2 plus 2, 4. And there is nothing here. It means here is 0 and 4. 0 plus 4, 4. So what is the answer? 4,48,758. लाइब्रेरीज में टोटल 4,48,758 बुक्स हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. Our next example is a ball pen factory produces 5,118 pens in January, 4,525 pens in February and 12,315 pens in March. So find the total number of pens produced in 3 months. Okay, so हमें क्या करना है? हमें क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है find the total number of pens produced in 3 months. So हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है, वो सबसे पहले हम लिखते हैं. So फैक्ट्री ने जनवरी में कितनी पेन्स प्रोड्यूस की? इन जनवरी कितनी पेन्स प्रोड्यूस की? 5,118 पेन्स. फरवरी में कितनी पेन्स प्रोड्यूस की? फरवरी में की 4,525. 4525 पेन्स। एंड इन मार्च, मार्च में कितनी पेन्स प्रोड्यूस की? सो मार्च में टोटल की 12,350 पेन्स। So in 3 months, how many pens produced by the factory? 1, 2, 3. In 3 months, we have to find out the number of pens produced by the factory. What will we do? We will do addition. Alright. After addition, we can find total how many pens are produced by the factory. So let's do addition. 5,118, 4,525 and 12,315. We will do addition of all these numbers. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. Okay. So 8 plus 5, 13 and 13 plus 5, 18. So we will write 8 here and we will carry 1 to the next column. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. And 4 plus 1, 5. So we will write 5 here. Next 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. We will write 9 here. 5 plus 4, 9 and 9 plus 2, 11. So we will write 1 here and we will carry 1 in the next column. So 1, there is nothing, and 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Nothing means 0. 0 में कोई भी ऐड नंबर करेंगे तो वो नंबर खुद ही आएगा. So 1 plus 0, 1 and 1 plus 1, 2. So our answer is 21,958. So in 3 months, factory produced 21,958 pens. So solving problems like this is easy, right? Okay students, so our next topic is estimating the sum. Estimate का मतलब है गैस करना, अंदाजा लगाना कि सम का आंसर क्या होगा. Suppose you have two 4-digit numbers. What you have to do? You have to round off both the numbers. So you can find out answer कितना करीब हो सकता है. Okay, for example, you have these two numbers. So आपके पास ये दो numbers है. So what will we do? We will round off these two numbers to the nearest 1000. So let's do it. To round off this number, what will we do? We will consider hundreds place. Okay, हम hundreds का place consider करेंगे. So 6 is on hundreds place and we know that 6 is greater than 5. And when hundreds place is greater than 5, we will increase thousands place by 1. Okay, so 4 plus 1 is 5. And we will put 0 in other 3 places. So 0 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place and 0 in ones place. Here hundreds place is 3 and 3 is less than 5. So we will keep thousands place as it is 6 and we will put 0 in other 3 places. Okay, so what will we do now? We will add both this number. So 5,000 plus 6,000 is 11,000. So हमारा आंसर 11,000 के करीब होगा. Okay, so this is what call is estimation. इसे हम estimation कहते हैं. Let's find out the real answer. 4,632, 6,329. So 9 plus 2, 11. So we will put 1 here and we will carry 1 in the next column. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. And 6 plus 4, 10. So our answer is 10,961 and our estimation was 11,000. हमारा अंदाज़ा, हमारा एस्टिमेशन 11,000 था और हमारा आंसर है 10,961. So by estimating the sum, we can find out कि आंसर किस नंबर के करीब होगा. What will be the answer? Okay, what will be the nearest number to the answer? Okay, so by estimating the sum, we can know this. It's really easy, right? Okay dear students, so our last topic of this lesson is framing the word problem and we learned the same thing in third standard. Okay, हमने third standard में ये same thing सीखी है. We know that by given numbers we can make any problem. Okay, by given numbers we can make any example. For example, 3,210 and 1,230. Okay, so for example हम ये दो नंबर्स यूज़ करके बहुत सारे वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स बना सकते हैं. For example, in one examination 3,210 boys appeared and 1,213 girls appeared. So total how many students appeared for examination? Another, I bought mobile phone of rupees 3,210 and I bought shirt for 1,230 rupees. So total how many monies I spent? Another, if there are 3,210 apples in one box and 1,230 oranges in another box, so total how many fruits are there in box? So you can see that just using two numbers we can frame many word problem. So this is what framing the word problem is. Okay students, that was our second lesson of fourth standard. We will learn more about maths in our upcoming videos. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So every time we upload a video, you will get a notification. Thank you.